Well, howdy ho, neighbors. Thought I'd take y'all to work with me with it being Friday. Woo! Gotta love Friday. Coming in to work today. We're gonna do a little feature about my buddy Charlie. He's a good guy. So anyway, hope y'all have a blessed morning and stay tuned. Well, one thing we gotta do before we get going today is, gotta get that nice cup of coffee going. These Texas duct tape. Life on the farm's kind of hard. Sometimes it's very tiring. So anyway, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start out with a cup of this, and then we'll get in our little bit, Mr. Charlie, here in a little while. Hope y'all have a good morning. All right, Charlie, I just need to know, do I have your permission to put you on the internets?
On the internets?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll be an internet star.
Yeah, all right. So we got, just so you know, we got his permission to put him on the World Wide Web.
There we go.
The internets.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Okay, here we go. I gotta let y'all meet this fella here. This fella right here. This is Charlie Jenkins. He's a good old man right there. So, how long you been working here?
Many years. 30 plus at least.
So what do you do?
I'm a floor covering estimator, man.
What does that mean?
That means I go out, I show you a sample of my work. I go out and I measure houses and I draw it out and take measurements.
Wow, so you're an artist.
A little bit.
You're a little bit of an artist.
Yes, sir.
Hey man, do you have I need a tool.
All right.
I think I need like a screwdriver, a Phillips head.
Okay.
Well,
all right.
go
I
get
got all
one?
kinds of stuff in my trunk of my car.
All right.
Ain't no telling what you'll find back there.
Let's go take a gander.
All right.
All right, here we are. Here we are. Let's go.
All right, what do you need?
I said I needed a screw. Oh my lord! I need a screwdriver.
Yeah, there's all kind of junk back here. I'm prepared for anything.
What is that?
What are you seeing? This right here?
Freeze?
Yes.
You got Freon in there?
Enough of it. Yes, sir. Got a lot of Freon.
See,
You know what I was thinking on that?
What's that?
Some people need help changing a tire. If I see a car and they need some Freon put in their car, hey, I got it right here. I can put it in there for them.
Yes, you can.
All
See,
right.
This is an East Texas trunk.
It is. It's got everything. Look here. Right here we got a hard hat.
Yeah,
Always want to protect your head.
that's right. But you know what you're missing there?
What am I missing? Oh!
You're missing that duct tape, Charlie.
Duct tape. I got everything else.
Now he's got everything he needs. So you gotta have that duct tape in your life. So this is Charlie's little tour of his trunk. So when you're in need of something, you need to cut some branches on your trees. You got that. You need a tire jack.
Yeah, I forgot I had that.
You got
back there.
WD-40 too. Look there.
Yes, sir.
Got a bucket? I mean, come on. This fella's ready. This is East Texas.
Got my NASCAR jack
That's
so I
right.
can change the tire.
That's good.
I ain't one of those people that'll sit on the right side of the road waiting for somebody to come fix their tire for them. I take care of it myself. I got my jack.
That's right.
I got my tools to, let's see here. I know I got them in here somewhere. Got my tools in here to change my flat tire. Shoot, they're in here somewhere. Here's some of it. That'd help me out. Oh, here's the patches to fix the tire once I get it off.
All right.
I'm covered.
Well, Mr. Jenkins, I appreciate your time showing us inside your trunk.
No problem.
This is how you live in East Texas right here.
That's it.
Always ready. God
Always
bless.
got something in